Crazy 8. How to play. So the object of the game is to get down to ace and have all your cards gone. Be aware there is so many household rules that might be applied. Make sure you ask the questions before beginning to play. Shuffle a 52 deck of cards. So the dealer hands out 8 cards to each player that you have. The dealer places the rest of them and flip the top card, you guys. If the card is flipped as 8, that card goes back into the pile and a new card is flipped. Each person looks at their own hand without letting anyone see your cards. The player on the left goes first. A, he can follow suit, or B, he can lay a diamond. So that person will lay a diamond. The next person will play whatever's in his hand. There is some specialty cards. So this guy right here plays a jack. It skips that next person's turn. The next person lays a pick up a 2, which means pick up 2 from the deck. 1, 2. If he has a queen, that is worth pick up 5. The next person picks up 5. If the person has 1 card in his hand, he calls last card. And if it was hearts right now, he can lay that down, but it has to be on his turn. If he doesn't say last card, he has to pick up 2. So when he lays his last card, he has to pick up 7.
So the numbers that you want, 8s are first, then second is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that's the order, you guys, for the wild cards when you guys go down. So each time you have to go down.
If he had only 1 card left, and he's on his last card, like on aces, he lays down, he's technically the winner. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about the household rules, by all means, ask. I'm here to help you guys to play Crazy 8 Countdown. So make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to this video for more content. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.